Hey guys, someone asked me how to do a rhinestone template using Cricut a lot and uploading it to Design Space. So I wanted to come in here and show you, and I'm just going to grab this image. Just keep in mind that things are copyrighted and you may have to use it for personal use or purchase. So there we go, I have it downloaded. So I'm just going to close out my Google and come over to my Cricut a lot, and I don't need that. And then I am just going to come to trace, and I'm going to choose an image, and I am going to look for the download that I just did, and there he is, Christmas. And I'm going to open that up, and then I like to show the source image so that it looks nice and make sure that I know what I'm seeing there. And then I hit OK. And there may be other ways to do this. There may be proper ways. I am still learning Cricut a lot, so I don't know it all. This is the way that I do it. Then I am going to select it all. I held my Shift key while I stretched that, because if you don't, it will skew it, and you don't want to do that. And then I am going to come up to Path, and I'm going to put Do Union, and that just welds all the layers together that I had, and that looks pretty good to me. That's all I need right there for a rhinestone template. And then I am going to go to Effects, and I'm going to click on Rhinestones. Then I'm going to choose the size stone and the shape stone that I want. You can adjust your spacing, you can fill the shape, however you want to do it. And then you're just going to say OK, and then it does this outline. If I wanted to fill, I'm going to go to Effects, and I'll just show you what they both look like. And I'm going to select the size stones that I'm using, and I'm just going to say OK, and then you get that filled look. So it's totally up to you which one you want, how you want to do that. And once you have that, you're going to go to File, and you're going to go to Export. You're going to name it, and I already have one, so I'm gonna put that on my desktop just so I can find it easy. And I'm going to click Save, and then I'm just going to say OK. And then I'm going to go over to Design Space, and we're going to go to New Project, Upload, Upload, Browse, and I saved him on my desktop, and there's the second one I did, and I'm going to hit Choose. It's going to take it a second to upload. Then I'm just going to tag that and name it and hit Save. And I'll just put both of them that I did so that there's a comparison. Put them both into Design Space. So here you have just the outline, here you have the fill, and then when you're ready you just hit Make It, and it's going to send it over to the mat for cutting your template out. I hope that that helped you out and explained how to do the templates and uploading any SVG that you create in Cricut a lot for, not just your rhinestone templates, but any SVG.